Okay. Right, Willie says hello again. We're doing the Newton Source still. The old chalkboards with me, right? Voting patterns, right? The number one vote. By the way, Willie says hello. Number one is important, right? Now, what's happening is some other political parties, they know that they're not going to get the number one vote. So what they're doing, it's a strategy thing. It's a naughty thing, in my opinion. They're saying for folk to get their number two vote. So, see, technically speaking, see somebody who's got all the number one votes and they've got all the two votes for their different things. Technically speaking, they could win it by default, and the person with the most win votes could actually technically lose it. It's possible. So be careful. I would recommend, and I'm quite honest with you, just do one vote and one vote only. One vote, Willie Hogg, number one vote. That's it. That solves it. That's the problem solved. Right. People are going on in Facebook, the opposition, the big mainstream political parties are going on about up against Facebook and all that. The reason I use Facebook, my speakers, see the speakers up there, right? The signs, this is the blue Panzer. You with me? I've no got the might or the strength, a big party machine. I've got me and an old helper, right? I can't afford to time off of work. Some of the mainstream political parties have got candidates who don't even stay in the ward, by the way. That's another thing. The ones that don't, they're getting paid a full-time wage for their political party. So they can go out morning, noon and night. I was up at 6 o'clock this morning, Saturday morning, to wait in my workshop at 7. I worked till 1 o'clock. I come home, still working clothes. I've been out campaigning, I've been out with the speaker, I've been out in the streets. I can't have the time to chop every door. And I don't believe people have had enough of mainstream political parties. People have enough of politics all over. So to go and continually chop somebody's door, I don't see the point of it. So I use my Facebook platform, I use my vehicle, I use the Blue Panzer to spread the word. And let me assure you, it's working. It's working. It is working, by the way. My signs is working. So it is. My speakers are working. Full-time work, unfortunately, I've got to work. And now I'll answer another question, because people will say, what are you going to do if you're elected? If I am lucky enough to be elected, I'm going to half my workload, half between the council and half between my business. It's as simple as that. Okay? Unfortunately, if I don't work, I don't get wages. It's as simple as that. I do not get wages. It's as simple as that. So there you go. There's just some tips today, right? So this Thursday is a big day. The countdown's on. Get down there to the polling station, vote Willie Hogg, number one vote for Willie Hogg, to get some transparency back into North here, get some life put back into North here, some respect put back into North here, and let's see what happens. The time's getting weird, folks. The time is getting shorter, whatever you want to say, but we're going to be there on Thursday, and Thursday night's going to be a very, very interesting night for all North here. So, I'll see you all later.